Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to design the columns. So first of all, let's for example select the columns here. We want to design these columns with the same method that we designed the rail side with it. We can go to here, steel design, steel or aluminum design. Now we go to now the robot put the second group with the columns. First of all, the name of the group columns, okay, and the section are here, okay, we have defined the column as HP, okay, and we want to select all this and we press OK. The material here, we press save. Now here list for the columns, list 2 only, here also we press close. Here we delete and we go to here, groups, columns, Ctrl C, we put some here and we press calculate. Okay. Now also the same thing, the robot, for example, for these columns we can show the same method of rails side beams. The same method we can show the design for and increase the section of the member, and we will continue the design with the same method for the other section. And the next lecture we want to design the truss, the connection, the rafter, because differ from the other section. For example from these beams is a sample with the simple design as here, but the rafter, the connection, the truss and the foundation of this structure, we will show them in the next lecture. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.